Welcome back all of you to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. So again we are ready with today's video. This video is for class 7th and the subject is maths, and we are continuing the same chapter, that is chapter number 6, and the name of the chapter is the angle the triangle and its properties. So as we have already completed exercise 6.1 and 6.2, so today we will start with question number first of exercise 6.3. In question number 1, some of the diagrams are given and we are supposed to find the value of unknown angles. So first of all we will take question number 1, and the first part is there and the triangle is given in which two angles are given. The triangle is there ABC, A, B and C. How many sides are there? 3. How many vertices are there? 3. How many angles are there? 3. Out of these 3, 2 angles are given. This is 50 degree and this is 60 degree, and we are supposed to find the value of x. So here we can write x plus 50 degree plus 60 degree is equals to 180 degree. Why? What is the reason behind that? I told you many times, whenever we are supposed to write anything, we are supposed to supply the reason for that statement. So this statement that x plus 50 degree plus 60 degree is equals to 180 degree. Why? Because that according to the angle sum property of triangles, the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So we will write here angle sum property of triangles. So here again we can write x plus 50 plus 60, that is 110 degrees is equals to 180 degree. Now this is the simple equation. So we are supposed to find the value of the variable, that is x. To find the value of x, we will transfer the constant term on the right hand side. 110 will become minus, when we transfer on the right hand side, and 180 degree minus 110 degree, and that x will be 70 degrees. So like this we are supposed to proceed in each and every question of this question number 1. So we will take 1 or 2 more questions. We will take question number first part second. In the second part, one right angle triangle is given. That is P, Q and R, and at P the sign is like that, and one angle is given, that is 30 degree. Angle Q is 30 degree and angle R is marked as x. So we are supposed to find the unknown angle, that is x. If the sign is given like this, so this is 90 degree, that is understood. If such type of sign is there, square type sign is there, then 90 degree angle, and this is 30 degree, we have to find x. Again we are supposed to write 90 degree plus 30 degree plus x is equals to 180. Again the same thing we are supposed to write angle sum property of triangles. Again x plus 90 plus 30, that is 120 degree is equals to 180 degree. Again we form the simple equation. Now we are supposed to find the value of the variable, that is x, and for that we are supposed to transfer the constant terms from the left hand side to the right hand side. On the left hand side 120 is plus, on right hand side it will become minus, and 180 minus 120, that is 60 degree. So the value of x is 60 degree. Like this we are supposed to proceed. In the next part, again two angles are given, 110 and 30 degree. Again we have to do the same thing. In fourth part, one angle is given, so that we are supposed to see how to solve that question, question number 4. Means question number 1 part 4. So in the fourth part, the diagram is given like this. And the name of the triangle is, name is not given, and it is given that one of the angle is 50 degree, and this is x, and this is x. No problem. We can do the same thing here, that x plus 50 degree is equals to 180 degree. Why? Again we are supposed to supply the reason for that, that is the angle sum property. Of triangles. Then x plus x 2x, and 50 degree we are supposed to transfer on the right hand side, that is minus 50 degree. So from here we can write 2x is equals to 130 degree. From here we can write x is equals to 130 degree. 2 is multiplying here, so on the right hand side it will divide, and when we divide 130 degree by 2, we get 65 degrees. So that angle will be 65 degree, and that angle will be also be 65 degrees. So two angles are same angles, because it is as it is given in the question, that is x, that is also x. So their magnitude, or what we can say, the measurement will also be same, that is 65 degree each. So like this we are supposed to proceed. In the next question, all the angles are same and the value is not given. So in part 5th, we are given the diagram like this, in which all the angles are given, that is x, that is x, that is x. So if all the angles of a triangle are equal, then the name of the triangle is equilateral triangle. This is equilateral triangle, because all the angles are equal. If all the angles are equal, then all the sides will also be equal. So here again we will write the same thing, x plus x plus x is equals to 180 degree, because all the angles are equal. Why 180 degree? Angle sum property. Angle sum property of triangles. Then x plus x plus x, 3x is equals to 180 degree, and x will be equals to 180 degree upon 3, and x will be equals to 60 degree. So if any triangle is given and it is given that the triangle is equilateral, then there is no need to measure the angles or no need to calculate. The each angle of an equilateral triangle will be of 60 degree each. This is 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree. If we add all 60 plus 60 plus 60, we will get 180 degrees. So like this we are supposed to proceed such type of questions. In the last question, again last part we are supposed to discuss, because that is again the different part is there. That is part 6. So that is right angle triangle. Like this. So this is given like this, and remaining two angles are x degree, and this is 2x. If such type of sign is there, then it is understood that is 90 degree. Again we are supposed to write x plus 2x plus 90 degree is equals to 180 degree. Again the same procedure. Why we are writing that statement? Angle sum property. Angle sum property of triangles. So 2x plus x, 3x is equals to 180 degree and minus 90 degree, and here we will write 3x is equals to 180 minus 90, that is 90, and from here we got x is equals to 90 upon 3. So from here we got x is equals to 30 degree. So that is x, so that will be 30 degree, and that is 2x means 2 into x, 2 into 30, that is 60 degree. So the measurement of the angles of this triangle will be 30, 90 and 60. If we add all, we will get 180 degrees. So like this, our question number 1 has been completed. So at the same time, we can take first part of question number 2 as well. First part, in which the diagram is given like this, and exterior angle is given 120 degree, and this is given 50 degree, and that is x and that is y. So this is the exterior angle and these are the opposite to interior angle. So we can use the property, that is x plus 50 degree is equals to 120 degrees. X plus 50 will be equals to 120. Y, that is exterior angle property. Exterior angle property of triangles. As I told you previously, if any triangle is there, so this angle will be equals to the sum of opposite to interior angles. So like this. So again we can write here that x is equals to 120 degree. Now the constant term will be transferred to a right hand side with the changed sign. So from here we get x is equals to 70 degrees. Now we have to find the y. The two methods are there. Either this value we got, that is 70 degree. From here we can write x plus y plus 50 degree is equals to 180 degree. What is the reason behind that? That is angle sum property. Of triangles. So from here we can write y plus what is the value of x, that is 70 degree plus 50 degree is equals to 180 degrees. Y we don't know, 50 plus 70, that is 120 degree is equals to 180 degree. Again we have to find the value of y. For that we have to transfer 120 degree from left hand side to the right hand side with the changed sign. So from here we get y is equals to 180 minus 120, that is 60 degree. So like this you are supposed to proceed the questions of this exercise. First of all, you have to repeat all the questions what we have done today in the video. At the same time you are supposed to try some of the questions, means the parts given in question number 2. We have done only one. Second part is there, third part is fourth, fifth and sixth. So you are supposed to try the remaining parts. If you face any kind of problem or if you are having any kind of doubt, then you can message us or you can even call us. If required, we will include your doubts in the next video. And Till then you have to complete the homework, and then you are supposed to take the pic of that and you are supposed to upload on the school's WhatsApp number. Thank you very much.